Beauty meets belonging, we're simply geometric. Pieces of the puzzle put together like Tetris. It's a moment that's not just happiness, a kind of pleasure that you're a part of. Another portion of the story that's nature's sacred art. Talking to the canyon, we know it echoes back. And it's like a conversation keeps us oddly on track. It's a moment that's not just happiness, a kind of pleasure that you're a part of. Another portion of the story that's nature's sacred art. Nature's sacred art. Dedicated to a vision, willing to dance. It takes you there. It takes you there. And the silence at the center when dancing hand in hand, joined in an endless circle no matter where you stand. It's a moment that's not just happiness, a kind of pleasure that you're a part of. Another portion of the story that's nature's sacred art. Nature's sacred art. Dedicated to a vision and willing to die.